Good morning, everyone. Today is October 20th, and we've got an exciting update for all the streaming enthusiasts out there. If you have been exploring the world of IPTV, you're in the right place. Today, we are going to show you how to install IPTV on your Roku device effortlessly. But before we dive in, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and visit 2TV.store, the best IPTV provider with unbeatable channel selections. Let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, ensure your Roku is connected to the internet. Then, navigate to the channel store by pressing the home button on your Roku remote. Use the search bar and type in IPTV. You will find various applications. Choose a reliable one such as IPTV Smarters. Follow the instructions to download and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it and you'll be prompted to enter your IPTV subscription details from 2TV.store. Simply enter your login credentials and you're set to explore a multitude of channels all in HD. With these few steps, you've transformed your Roku into a powerful streaming device. If you found this easy and informative, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and check out 2TV.store for your premium IPTV experience. See you in the next video.